Hello friends, I am Digital Funny, founder and CEO of High Online Traffic. Welcome to my show Digital Bytes, where I will be interacting with the pioneers of the industry to get the insights from them which will benefit my audience. Being the first episode, I am very much excited to have Mr. Sachin Nair, who is having a vast knowledge and experience in the field of marketing as well as digital marketing too. He is a consultant to many companies and also a guest lecturer in Premier B schools. Let's welcome Mr. Nair. We would be happy to have a brief intro about you and your career, Mr. Nair.
Hi, Funny. My name is Sachin Nair. I am having 17 years experience in traditional marketing as well as digital marketing, and I have worked with a lot of ad agencies in my career like Low Lintas, Ogilvy, iContract Advertising, and then I moved on to corporates where I was instrumental in building brands. And I am also a guest lecturer in a few B schools where I teach modern techniques of marketing. So that's about me, and I hope that you can ask your questions if you have anything.
Thank you for your wonderful intro. Let's start. I have a few questions to ask you. Being a veteran in the industry, what are the changes you have seen in the field of marketing over the years?
Well, marketing has seen a sea change. Earlier back in my initial stage of my career, we used to do a lot of traditional media. And that point of time, the ROI was very difficult to calculate. Putting a television ad or putting a print ad, we never used to know how much people would respond. There was no mechanism to convert as well as understand what is the ROI from a medium.
Yes.
And digital marketing has completely given a great insight to all the marketers as well as the organization in understanding how much they spend and how much they are getting out of it. So that can be in terms of people coming to your website, people reacting to your post, people reading your blogs, articles, people actually visiting your Facebook page or your social media pages. So marketing has absolutely transformed. In fact, I would rather say digital marketing is one of the most important tools which every organization should have. And the way it has grown, it has made a lot of organization believe that yes, marketing is one thing which can help you grow 4x, 5x, whatever is your vision or vision.
Thank you for the wonderful answer, Mr. Nair. Let's move on to the next question. How important is digital marketing today?
Well, digital marketing has transformed a lot of industries, have transformed a lot of organizations. Digital marketing has helped us to understand who is coming to your website because of Google Analytics. We understand the consumer's digital behavior these days, which was not possible long time back. So that is one thing I think what digital marketing has brought to board. Second thing, most important thing is customization. Personalization and customization and being hyper local. So I can actually trace who is sitting in a particular state or a city or in a town, and what is kind of what kind of website he's accessing. How can I reach him out? Google keyword is an amazing invention. The keyword plan is an amazing invention which helps you understand who is searching what. How much is the keyword search volume, which was not there earlier. So I think a lot of organizations have started realizing the importance of digital marketing, especially during pandemic, which has helped a lot of banking now working because of digital marketing. Banking now is you don't have to go to a branch. You can actually open an account instantly. RBI has done a lot of initiatives to reach out a lot of customers digitally. So there are a lot of these industries which are gaining out of digital marketing, and I think digital marketing, if used nicely, if it is being strategized properly, will give 4x benefit to organization who understand what is digital marketing. It is not important that you should get into digital marketing. It is how to use that medium very very judiciously and very creatively. So I think digital marketing is going to stay. It is going to transform our lives also. We are now shopping. Everything is on mobile. We are shopping through our mobile. We are booking our tickets through mobile. Everything is so digital marketing is become an important component of every individual, especially for SMEs, who are are working in tier 2, 3 cities. They've been able to go global only because of digital marketing. They've been able to be a part of bigger conglomerates, like supplying to companies like Tata. And this is all possible because of digital marketing. So I think digital marketing is going to stay. It's going to strengthen, and it is going to give a lot of benefits if it is used very nicely. Thanks.
Once again, great answer, Mr. Nair. Moving forward, what is the future of digital marketing?
The future is very bright. Funny, in fact, you would be a best person to answer because you have roughly 2 years experience in digital marketing. You've been an expert in digital marketing. You have been working with a lot of digital clients, as well as you've been yourself a digital trainer. So what I can gauge from what we have done, we have seen in past, and what is going to be the future. So the future in digital marketing is I'm going to understand. I understand one thing is the power of using analytics, because analytics is going to redefine the way digital marketing is going to be operated. The tools which have been used for digital marketing, like keyword planners and Google Console and all these tools, SEMrush and all these tools, also are going to strengthen and would be much more. They would be providing much more analytics, would be providing more insights over or what is the audience behavior. The future, if you ask me, is understanding. Still, end of the day, your customer is the king, and digital will help you understand the digital behavior of a customer. And if an organization takes due consideration of a customer journey, the digital future would be absolutely bright. The next big thing which I think is going to be influencer marketing, which is again picking up, especially in travel industries and automobile industry, as well as in electronic industry. The other thing is which I can see is affiliate marketing. Which is kind of going to disrupt the way people work these days, especially in terms of getting phygital, where you have an online store, where you used to have an online store. Now people are much more when you are understanding a consideration stage of a customer, reviews and someone who's known to you pushing your product, and then he gets paid. So it's a win-win situation for all the stakeholders involved. So affiliate marketing is going to be the very big move which we are going to shoot. The industry it would be an independent industry as such. The third thing which I was trying to understand was how to use marketing attribution. Because these days, especially with a lot of apps which have been provided by organizations wanted to understand which ad gives them, which kind of creative gives them and first click or the last click, how much time does it take from the first click to the last click of conversion. Then the last thing which I think is drop shipping, which is going to again disrupt the way a lot of companies are operating. It's a very nice revenue model for all the three stakeholders, again the customer, the supplier, and the person who is actually acting as an agent between them. So these are the three things, these are the 4-5 things roughly I think is going to be a big game changer. And I'm guessing that WhatsApp marketing is also, because WhatsApp marketing is now getting into catalog marketing. So you will see a lot of things coming from WhatsApp because of the integration with Facebook. And marketing tech is going to be a buzzword, because end of the day it is all about providing customer convenience, customer experience, customer satisfaction. Yeah. All this thing is possible by one click. So how that one click can satisfy customer need is going to redefine the way businesses will operate. As I told you in my earlier answer, digital marketing has helped a lot of companies to reassess their business model, realign their business model according to the customer needs, and that's why you can see a lot of these companies are doing well, especially SMEs. I'm very happy SMEs are using digital marketing, and they would be using much more digital marketing. And COVID has taught us a lot of tough lessons, and these are one of the learnings which a lot of companies have taken, that transforming them into digital. A lot of workers and employees working from home, they were all connected digitally, and they have been using a lot of digital tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. So all this have been, digital has been the enablers for a lot of the organization to actually reach out with their customers do business with them. That has happened in B2C also, big turn. B2B surprisingly is been very pro digital. Platforms like LinkedIn and few have been heavily using. You can see a lot of advertisers, B2B advertiser advertising and reaching out. A lot of these companies releasing research work on what is the industry, how the industry is, and all this is possible from data, and data is coming from all these digital tools. Then the next big thing which I think is going to be integrated digital marketing, where your business is at the heart, and that if you ask me what is your business, then I would rather say it is your website, and how are you integrating all those mediums like your SEO, your paid campaigns, your performance marketing campaigns, your affiliate marketing campaigns, your influencer marketing, your Google AdWords, your Facebook campaigns, your Instagram campaign. So end of the day, how integrate you keep them, what is the integrated message you have, so that in different mediums, all these message resonate with your brand, resemble your brand values and brand promise. So I think integrated digital marketing is going to be a big thing, because simply I believe even if you want to send an emailer carries a message, and that message translates your brand, it translates your brand promise, it translates your brand ethos and your values. So I think these kind of tools and a nice and a very intelligent way of using integrated digital marketing is going to be the future of digital marketing. Thanks.
Thank you very much for your valuable time, sir. It was pleasure interacting with you, and I urge my audience to stay safe and stay home. Thank you. Bye.